have seen the only 3% water is present on the earth and that can be drink, and another 97% water is a form of sea, ocean and ice, right? So that's why our government and every world people is saying that save water, save life. Means only 3% water is there, and that water also we are wasting in the other works. So we don't have to do that things. We have to use water very carefully. We have to save water for others also. Now see, some advertisements are also there for saving the water. Okay, so that's why we have to save the water. Then we'll go ahead, page number 54. See, customs related to water. Now see, because some customs are there in village peoples, they are saying that water means a god, or God is giving water. Then there is some means they are following some customs, they are following some religions. We'll see what are the religions are that. Even today, people get water from very old lakes, dharas, stepwells and nulls. Many customs of festivals are related to water. At some places, whenever lakes get filled up with rainwater, the people gather around the lake to celebrate. See the bride of Uttarakhand in this picture. After getting married, she has come to the new village. She bows the spring or the pond. In cities, one can see an interesting form of this custom. The new bride worships the tap in her home. Can we even imagine life without water? Now see, customs are there in Uttarakhand. If any newly married couple is there or any newly married bride is there, she have to go to that lake. She have to custom that lake, means हम जो कहते हैं ना पूजा करनी होगी, तो वो वहाँ पर जाकर जो तालाब होते हैं या जो नल होते हैं उनकी पूजा करते हैं. इट मीन्स वो वाटर की पूजा करते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि वहाँ के लोग मतलब ऐसे समझते हैं कि हमें कोई भी अगर नई लड़की शादीशुदा हो तो वो उसे ये करना ही चाहिए. अगर सिटी में हम किसी को देखें तो सिटी में ऐसे ज़्यादा कुछ लोग नहीं करते. सिटी के लोगों को ये कैसे लगेगा कि मतलब जाने दो, ये उनकी प्रथा ये वो उनको करनी है. पर वो वाटर को भगवान मानते हैं, पानी को भगवान मानते हैं, तो पानी वो उसी तरह से यूज करते हैं कि हमें थोड़ा मतलब जितनी ज़रूरत है उतना ही वाटर यूज करना है, वेस्ट करना नहीं है. मतलब वाटर सेफली, केयरफुली, एकदम ध्यान से यूज करने के लिए वो लोग ऐसा करते होंगे. पर हमारे सिटी में हम ऐसा समझते ही नहीं, हम जैसे चाहे वैसे पानी यूज करते हैं. सो दे आर आस्किंग लास्ट क्वेश्चन दैट हाउ यू इमेजिन विदाउट वाटर योर लाइफ. देन पेज नंबर 55. डू यू हैव सम स्पेशल पॉट्स फॉर वाटर एट योर प्लेस? Look, water is being filled in this beautiful copper pot. The shining yellow pot of glass is seen in the other picture. Many stone carvings are also made near the place of drinking water. Have you ever seen any beautiful building near the place of water? Where? Now questions are there. Do you have any pot? Do you have any special pot in your home for water? Then have you seen null, tap? A different kind of tap or a different kind of lake. What things near that lake or what things surrounding that lake we have to write. Now see, find out, is there a lake, well or stepwell near your house or school? Visit it and find out more about it. Now, is there any lake near our school, near our house? If it is there, we have to go there and we have to study about that lake. What study we have to do? Then see, how old is it? Then who got it built? What kinds of buildings are around it? Is the water clean? Is it cleaned regularly? Who all use the water? Is there any festival celebrated at this place? Is there any water today or is it dry? Now see students, if near your house there is a lake, you can go to that lake and you can ask this question to lake owner. Okay, is it near your school? You can go there also, you can ask these questions to the lake owner and you can write these questions and answers in your notebook. Then see on the next page, think over it. In 1986, there was no rain in Jodhpur and the surrounding areas. People remember the old and forgotten step well, they call Bawli. Now see students, when people remind that Bawli, वहाँ पर एक मतलब तालाब था जो बहुत सालों से बंद था और जब उस गांव में पानी खत्म हो गया तो लोगों को उस बावली के बारे में याद आ गया, मतलब वो लेक के बारे में। फॉरगॉटन स्टेप वेल जो थी उसके बारे में उनको याद आ गया तो वो वहां पर चले गए। देन व्हाट दे डू, दे क्लीन दैट स्टेप वेल एंड व्हेन दे क्लीन दैट स्टेप वेल दे गॉट सो मच गार्बेज। सी, they cleaned the step well and more than 200 trucks of garbage was taken out of it. 200 trucks, मतलब 200 से ज्यादा ट्रक्स भरकर कचरा उन्होंने वहां से निकाला उस स्टेप वेल से। तो सोचो वो स्टेप वेल कितनी बड़ी होगी। People of that area collected money. The thirsty town got water from the step well. Now they got water from that step well. मतलब उन्होंने साफ किया और उनको पानी वहां पर मिल गया। तो वो जब पानी नहीं था तो वो स्टेप वेल से वो पानी यूज कर रहे थे। बट अगेन क्या हुआ, जब बारिश आ गई तो वो फिर से वो स्टेप वेल को भूल गए। After a few years it rained well and again the step well was forgotten. यही means these things doing man only. When he need that, he use that. When he stop needing or when he don't need that, he throws out. Then see, discuss. There are two old wells in the area where Punita lives. Her grandmother says that about 15-20 years ago there was water in these wells. The wells could have dried up because water is being pumped up from under the ground with the help of electric motors. The lakes in which rainwater used to collect are no longer there. The soil around trees and parks is now covered with cement. Is there some other reasons for this? Explain. Now see, which are the old lakes are there? Old lakes, I am saying, old lakes are there. People's not caring about that lakes. They are starting to remove that lakes from that place. Means they are building a new buildings there, or they are making gardens there. That's why everyone forgot about these lakes. Everyone forgot about that step well. So today new students can't see that step well or that lakes. The story 2. Let us see the different ways in which people manage water today. See page number 57 and discuss. Now students, if you are watching news channels, then you should know that in Tamil Nadu there was a strike for the water. मतलब वहाँ पर किसी को भी पानी मिल ही नहीं रहा था। वाटर टैंकर भी आ रहे थे पर टैंकर में भी पानी नहीं था। लोग पानी के लिए रो रहे थे। अभी भी ऐसी ही मतलब वहाँ पर लोग ऐसे ही रो रहे हैं पानी के लिए। थोड़ा थोड़ा उनको पानी मिल रहा है पर पानी उनको मतलब पूरा नहीं हो रहा है। सारे लोगों को पानी नहीं मिल रहा है तमिलनाडु में, सोलापुर में। तो ये हम फेस कर रहे हैं अभी प्रॉब्लम्स, हम ये सारे फेस कर रहे हैं बिकॉज वी आर नॉट यूजिंग वाटर प्रॉपरली, वी आर नॉट हार्वेस्टिंग अ रेन वाटर, दैट्स व्हाई. Now see, some people are there, how they solving their problems of water. We see, do you get water in your house by any of these ways? Put a tick on that. If you get water by some other way, write it in your notebook. So there are some ways how that people, how that students are getting water and how you are getting water. If your way is not there, then you have to write in your notebook how you are getting the water. A jar board water tanker comes to our colony twice a day. We have to stand in a long queue to get water from the tanker. People at times have fights over water. As I told you, in Tamil Nadu also happening like this. Water tanker. The people fighting for the water. Then next one, we fill water from the well. The nearby well dried up a year ago. Now we have to walk far to reach the other well. We are not allowed to take water from some of the wells because of our caste. See, caste problem also there and well problem is also there. Means there is some wells that water is dried up, no water in that well, and another wells are there, but people decided that only one caste people can get that water. So what other peoples will do? The next, we get water at home for half an hour. We fill this in the tank to use all day. Sometimes it is dirty. Now see, this method using in cities also. Only 1.5 hour water is coming from the tap and that water we are storing in our home or in tank. Then we get water from our taps all day long. It should be from the urban areas. Means from city, right? Then there is a hand pump nearby, but the water that we get from it is salty. We have to buy water for drinking. Now hand pump is there and we all know hand pump water is salty, that's why we can't drink that water, but that people's buying water for drink. Then we have put a pump directly in the jar board pipeline. Now we don't have any problem. This is also happening in city. Then we have put a motor to pump up the water from the borewell. But there is no electricity, so what do we do? Now some people having bore in their home also, but if electricity is not there, then what they will do? And the last one, we get water from the canal itself. Now some people are there who is getting water from the canal also. If you are facing problems like this, if you are getting water like this from any area, or if you are getting water by a different way, you can write in your notebook. Discuss. Everyone has the right to live, yet is everybody getting enough water to live or even water to drink? Why is it that some people have to buy drinking water? Should it be like this? Water on earth is for one and all. Some people draw out water from the ground by deep bore wells. How far is it correct? Have you ever seen this? Why do some people put a pump directly in the jar or pipeline? What problem would other people face due to this? Do you have any such experience? Now we have to pay the bill also, which water means we are getting from our tab. We have to pay the bill for tab, and these are the questions. These all questions answers you have to write in your notebook. Look at this bill and tell from which office has this bill come. Do you get a water bill at home? Find out from where it's sent. Why do you think Delhi Sarkar, government of Delhi, is written under Delhi Jal Board? Sorry, it is a Delhi Jal Board. In whose name is the bill? How much money do they have to pay for each month? Do you have to pay for water? How much? Is the rate of water different in different colonies? Ask your elders. It can be done. There are some groups that work hard to bring water to the people of different areas. They ask the elders about the water arrangements in their times. They rebuild the old lakes and johars and also build new ones. Let us see how the group called Tarun Bharat Singh helped Darki Mine. Now see, some newcomers are there, some new people are there, boys are there who helped to the one mine. We'll This is the Darkimai. She lives in a village in the Alwar district of Rajasthan. The women of the village used to spend the entire day looking after their home and animals. Sometimes it took them all night to pull water from the well for the animals. In the summer, when the wells dried up, they had to leave the village. Darkimai heard about this group and asked for help. Together, the people from the group of the village decided to make a lake. The problem of food and water for animals is now less. People get more milk, they have started earning more. See, if we decide to help someone, we can do anything. Now that animals also getting water and the people also getting water, and so much problems are less there. Have you ever read this kind of news in any newspaper? How did people solve their problem of water? Did they repair and reuse any old lake or step well? What we have learned? Make a poster. Do you remember the slogan? Water on earth is for one and all. Think of some other such slogans, draw pictures and make a nice poster. Bring a water bill, look at it, tell. This is bill from ... date to ... date. How much money is it to be paid for this bill? What else can you see in the bill? Like the money spent on repair, maintenance, etc. Now see students, so much things we have seen in this lesson. We have seen the story about the Uttarakhand also, we have seen story about the Rajasthan also. In our Maharashtra also some different types of lakes are there, in different types of step wells are there, and we have to visit to that step wells. Right? In Maharashtra also there are some lakes. If we go to the fort in the Maharashtra, we can see the so many deep wells are there. Right? Then we have seen the last part, the Jal board is there from the Delhi, that the bill is came. So you have to write all the answers of that question. If you have any difficulty, you can ask me. Today we'll stop here.